In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription for the Cleanup app on your iPhone with a simple step-by-step guide. If you want to stop the subscription and avoid future charges, follow these easy steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Select Subscriptions from the list. Look for the Cleanup app in your active subscriptions and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. You might need to confirm by tapping Confirm or Yes. After canceling, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, so you can continue using the app until then. If you don't see Cleanup in your subscriptions, make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID or check if you subscribe directly through the app's website. That's it! Now you know how to cancel your Cleanup app subscription on iPhone quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials and tips.